handmade pasta drying on the sun. Isn't this the most wonderful thing? Today's vlog is all going to be about food. As you probably know, in Italy the food is exceptional, it's amazing, there are no words for it. And sometimes in this vlog I like to show you the mood, the feeling of it. Hopefully you also can learn a little bit from it. And if you do, please let me know. Write about it in the comment section. So today is Easter, which means that we are eating all day and drinking wine all day. So let's start eating. Eccoci qua. Hoppela!
Bello.
Wow!
Sotto c'è l'aglio.
Sì.
Un po' di aglio, un po' di olio, ma adesso ci metto un po' di vino bianco e questo perché non si secchi. Una carota, un po' di cipolla.
Allora, quanti gradi, quanti minuti?
Adesso 180 non farò.
Anticipatori assoluto, non c'è dubbio, ora ne parliamo, però prima volevo ricordare che il tuo rapporto...
A posto.
Ah, a posto!
No, non ha marinato lo zio. No, l'agnello, cinghiale, stato.
Sì.
Ma guarda come è calato. Va bene?
Buoni!
Sì che va bene. Oh, molto bene. Molto pasquale.
We are having our Easter lunch. We found these eggs a week ago, which is quite strange. I read online that blackbirds sometimes leaving their nest, the mother is leaving the nest, which means that then the eggs are not able to develop, and if she's coming back and she's bringing new branches, she makes the eggs, the old eggs, part of the nest, which is crazy, and so she's putting new eggs on the top of them. But still, I felt bad for these eggs. I tried to help them. I tried to make an incubator, which was obviously not professional because I'm not able to get some of the tools that it's needed to measure the temperature, for example, the humidity inside the incubator. I think they were not able to develop. They should be bigger now and they should hatch at this point. So I think even if I tried, I failed. But eventually this is how nature works. So because we have a really calm and nice afternoon, I thought I'm going to teach you how to make handmade pasta. The only important thing is that you are using farina tipo zero, flour tipo zero. I will try to find out what is the English version of that, and I'm going to write it here. Got some really nice eggs. At least it's quite Easterish, because I didn't do anything Easterish except eating. can go for a run now. And go. And done. 4 kilometers, 400 calories. So now it's 2 hours later and I ran, took a shower and I put down some tablecloth where I'm going to put the tagliatelle, the pasta pieces, and there the pasta can dry out.